Kani iba pi ngimi gajing keren kata gajing keren kan mana kali presiden. Nyoba UDP kamdan kayak kamdan kata gajing keren. Kani sudah sendat ke siti ke bami nak kali yang juga mau tuh. So chief minister. Habakum dia kani ke isu. Kalau ke isu bakti kidon bentang ka sorka. Ndai kidon bentang sorka. Kum kani ke isu kila di benra ka apo ante apo Hamid kan juga komiti. Bukan dia komiti. Kini keren. Seperti ini. Dan dia diusulkan pau kat bak ni diusul hak kat bak ni. Kami usul hak. Haba bon ki isu kat beli keren cepat kita. Beli keren tay gani ko isu. Beli target take kami gani ko specific department. Kidon isu di relate what ya ka benong mai kung inihkai. Manakani ka jeng ki ka tu kai keren cepat. Beli specifically tay gani isu. Kata dia kali bangir ni ko anbo ni pa mo. Maybe, as you said, maybe because you're even not sure about whether this has come from a committee that they have sat across and they have taken up this resolution that as UDP we should go forward and ask the chief minister to take down the power minister. But this thing is being signed by Mr. Javinuma. That's why I have just one here. It is the power minister and the CMD who have continuously gone on a negotiating spree, so that as of today, I think, from 2 o'clock in the afternoon, the power cut has been removed. Last time. This is the same thing that happened. This is the same thing.
Is there any initiative taken
Of
by
course,
the NPP?
that's what we request, Mr. Motor. If such things occur, why not consult with your own legislator and take this up on the table of the MDA committee? Why take it out on public?
No, he has taken.
That's up to them. It's the same thing that's happened with the BJP. You see, there might be some internal issues which I don't know. Taken by let the elders of the party or the high command of the party take that forward.